and motor. Okay, the fault is 00 Omega SKN-H4, sorry, H3. I already typed in the title. Okay, how we can troubleshoot? Stay with us. I already opened the top core screw for saving your time. Okay, now we need to remove the LCD strips. Okay, but first we need to mark these two strips. Okay, because this is the same spins and the same jacks. Okay, this is the red I marked, and this is green. Okay, and this is black. Okay, now here is the glue. Okay, set your hot air gun on 250 degrees centigrade. Apply the hot air. Okay, here is another. Okay, and here is another. Okay, these three strips I remove, and input line. That's okay. Here is output neutral, and here is output line. Okay, after that remove the top core. Sorry, I touch the camera with the top core. Here is one another strap for switch panel. Apply hot air. Set your hot air gun on 250 degrees centigrade. Apply here hot air, and you can easily remove the strips. Okay, keep this is, and now we need to remove the main battery wires. Keep this zip tie in this box as a reminder. Okay, now we have the 4 screws on the main board. One is here, and one is here, and one is here. And one is there. Okay, Pratik, shoot, what's your mean, man? What are you saying? Bad peoples also have bad minds, and good people also have good minds. Stupid people's always comment stupid because they don't know about anything, and the reason of jealousy. Okay, now remove the main battery wire from the body. Okay, as you can see, but here is the engineering getting fail, so we need to bend it for removing or cut it, and we have another solution for this, to desolder from here. Okay, press a little bit the thimble. Okay, now we need to remove the main board from the body. Remove this hook, push the hook. Okay, and slowly pull out the main board. We have another hook. Here we have another hook. Just wait for a moment. Oops, we have one screw here. Okay, and this is the pan strip. Apply 200 or 250 degrees centigrade hot air for easily removing the strips. Okay, as you can see, the glue is melt and the strip I remove easily. Okay, now this is the main board. First we need to check the DC to DC boost section. Okay, keep your multimeter on continuity mode. Okay, discharge the capacitors, discharge the DC capacitors, and check the DC to DC MOSFETs first of all. Okay, this is the pin number 2 drain. Okay, and this is the pin number 3 source. Wet it. Okay, after that keep the multimeter negative probe on the gate pin number 1. It's true continuity. Okay, it's mean this side is okay, and now the turn of this side, the same process. Okay, this is true. Check the gate continuity. It's mean our DC section is ready and okay. After that we need to check the DC to AC section. Okay, set your multimeter on continuity mode, and here we have 5 MOSFET, N channel MOSFET, 7 amps and 400 volts MOSFET, IRF740. Okay, this is the pin number 2 in the middle, drain. Okay, keep the multimeter negative probe on the gate and keep the multimeter positive probe on the source pin number 3. Okay, this is the short MOSFET and this is the second. This is too short. Okay, now this is the third MOSFET. This is too short. This is too short, and here we have a fifth MOSFET. This is true. Okay, so we need to remove the 4 MOSFETs first. This 4 MOSFETs. Okay, here is the number IRF740, but I am installing the 26 and 40, the best MOSFETs. Okay, this is very old MOSFET technology, IRF740. Pratik, where are you, brother? My bad brother, where are you now? One bad comment type more. One more bad comment type for your happiness and for your joy. Pratik, I think you are from India. Indians is very good people, but not all like Pratik. Okay, here we need to apply hot air for removing easily the MOSFETs. Pratik, are you watching, man? Or just come for bad comment? Thank you for all viewers. Okay. This is the good thing for removing. Okay. 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 Take care of thermopad. Okay. Okay. Don't worry about the thermopad. Okay. I am showing you. Check the thermopad status. Okay. No any area damaged. Okay. I am keeping here on the safe area, clean area. Okay. Now we need to remove the MOSFETs. IRF740, and this is the old technology. Keep your soldering iron at 400 degrees centigrade. Fine. Okay, wait brothers.
Asli itu mau minum ada 500 beli sama Nista. Mana cia sampai tu gerak ni.
Same.
Mai 500 beli tu maka dia di bazar tu gerak.
Same.
Lah masih dia.
Okay brothers, here is another MOSFET I am removing. Okay, keep in the tweezer and melt it at the time. Okay, and you can easily remove the MOSFET, and don't worry about the prints. Once I remove the solder, I am showing you. This is the third. Melt it at a time, okay, and slowly pull down. And this is the fourth. Resolve and melt it at a time and pull down. Okay, we remove all the short MOSFETs, and after that we need to desolder the holes. Some people desoldering these holes with this desoldering wicks, but I am desoldering this with the desoldering pump. It's depending on your experience. If you have not a soldering experience, so you can remove this solder with desoldering wick. Okay. The two MOSFETs holes I clean. Okay, and this is the third. This is the fourth MOSFET. Okay, I am cleaning the holes. Okay, now look at the holes. No any print damaged. Okay, as you can see. Now I am cleaning the MOSFET holes with the help of 2K thinners and cotton swab. Okay. Now I am applying the heat for drying the thinner. Okay. Now we need to check the gate drive resistors. Okay. We need to check the gate drive resistors. Here is 10 ohm per gate resistors in this circuit. Okay. In some circuits we have per gate drive 220 ohm resistors. Okay, 1 2, and this is the third. Okay, and this is the fourth. That's okay. So now I am installing the MOSFETs. Okay, first we need to clean our thermopad. It's already clean. Okay, now I am installing the MOSFETs 26 and 40, 26 amperes and 400 volts MOSFETs for better performance. Please wait for a moment. Okay, welcome back. I'm checking the MOSFETs because I am using the pull out MOSFETs at this time. Wait, first I check the MOSFET. Wait, I want to show you how you can check the pull out MOSFET. One here I am keeping. Okay, to understand you how you can check the N channel MOSFET. This is the internal resistance. Okay, and once you apply the positive voltage on the gate, so you need to zero continuity. Okay, this is the true MOSFET. And once you apply the negative voltage on the gate, so we need the internal resistance of MOSFET. Okay, this is the okay MOSFET. Now I am checking the three more. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Wait, brothers. Okay. Welcome back. Live repairing is very hard because we are a human and we need some necessary. Okay, thermopad. First set the thermopad at the holes. It's very hard work. Okay, once we tied the one MOSFET, after that we can install the three easily. But the first one is hard to install. Okay. Sorry for unstabilize. I touched the camera. Okay. Today, this is my second new solar inverter I am repairing in the live. It's hard, man, to record and install. But we are trying. Don't give up. I am keeping it on my direction because it's very hard. I think this one hole is not enough for this pin, so we can resolder. Okay, this is the solution on this time. Now we have. That's okay. Don't apply the force, okay? Just tight. You can install this MOSFETs with three methods I shown you in video, okay? First, with the help of this tool, accuser. Second, with the help of this tool. And third, with the help of these fingers, okay? Sorry again, I touched the camera. After that, we need to check the charging MOSFETs. Okay. I forgot, but we don't applying the DC voltage before checking the charging section. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, now we need to check the continuity with the heat sink. Okay, remember this thing and every inverter. Okay, this is the heat sink, already connected this screw with the heat sink. Okay, and this is the every MOSFET drain pin. Okay, it's not connected, it's not connected, it's not connected, it's not connected. Okay, now we can solder all the pins. Set your soldering iron on 350 degrees. If you have the soldering station, okay, this is the soldering station. Okay, now we need to clean solder plugs. Wait, I have the call. Assalamu alaikum. यार कंट्रोल कार्ड ना दे रहा है यार नौसो घुमाओ तो बेगार इनकड़ा हुए सबा बदर लेगा मैं नहीं दे रहा लेंगे यार नौसो को यार सो को मैं खुद एक कार्ड वाला रावड़े तो बोल रहा हूँ बस पैसे माले के लिए दिया वो बस पे खौर तो लेना शुरू सही तरीके से कार्ड रावड़ा से दिया बेबी को खामा की कार कर ले उस कार्ड तो खबर पाती देखा जमा वाले रावलेगा Okay, welcome back. Now we need to check the charging section. Okay, this is the charging MOSFETs K3878 Toshiba K3878. This is the drain pin number 2 and this is the source pin number 3. It's okay. After that, keep the multimeter negative probe on the gate pin number 1. This is the true continuity. It's mean our charging section is okay. Now I am applying the voltage to the inverter, okay, or on the inverter. Okay, one thing another, the bridge diode we need to check. This is the bridge rectifier. Okay, it's okay. This is the MOSFET's continuity. Okay, it's okay. All right, we need to install the fan. This is the pan strip. Okay, and we need to first provide the power supply voltage. Okay, limited current. Limited current we need to provide 3 to 4 amps. Keep your power supply on 3 to 4 amps and apply the voltages. Now we need to install the switch. Okay, wait for it. Okay, the inverter will start permanently. As you can see, I am showing you the fan, and now I am showing you the output voltages with the help of multimeter. Okay, the expert can confirm this inverter from these nicest sounds. Okay, this is the output. As you can see, this is the multimeter first. Okay, this is the output connectors. Okay, 231, 32. Okay, and reverse the polarity, 232. Okay, it's mean our inverter is okay now. Now I am connecting to the battery. Okay, off the inverter and wait once power supply shut down. Okay, now I am applying the battery voltages. This was the power supply voltages, and now I applied the battery voltages. Okay, this is the main circuit, this is the pan, this is the switch. Okay, and now we need to test this with load. Just temporary. Okay, cooling and this is the multi clamp meter. Okay, clamp meter here is positive, so you need to oh, the wire is very hard. You can see. Okay, this is the output connectors. Okay, isolated, and now I am connecting the 100-watt halogen bulb. Okay, this is the camera. Okay, blinking because this is the camera, and look at the multi clamp meter. Okay, 12 amps on 100 watts. Okay, now I am connecting the heavy load with this. This is approximately 600 watts heater. Okay. As you can see, 73 amps and DC 12 volts. Now you can calculate 12 volts and 73 amps and input battery side. Okay. Now test. This is the isolated. First I tested. Okay. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Okay. SMPS. Thank you for your sweet comment. Yes, you know about this. SMPS, switching mode power supply. Yeah, man. Okay. All right. Okay. The heat sink in the normal temperature. Okay. Now we need to test the charging section. Okay, and charging amps. First we need to turn off the inverter. Okay. And now we need to provide the AC power to the inverter for testing the charging amps. So now the polarity from here. So as you can see, 16.5 ampere charging. Okay. Now we need to close this inverter. Okay, and the body. I remove the AC power. Okay. And now we need to remove the DC wires. Okay. And when you remove the DC wires, after this, on the inverter switch, okay, the capacitors is smoothly discharged. Okay, just a little bit here from here you can discharge just a little bit. Okay. This is the inverter body. Here is a two hooks. Push slowly. Okay, one, and the second is a little bit hard, so you can it's okay. Yeah, man. What the issue? I think from here. Oh, this is the new technology. Okay, slide it. Okay. the third, and this is the fourth. And this is the fifth. Okay. Remember one thing here, take care about the line and the neutral. Here we have output neutral, so this is the output neutral. Install it. Okay, and here we output line, and this is the output line, so we need to install it. Okay, and here is the output neutral, input neutral. Install here, but it's loose, we need to press it again for best continuity. Okay, that's okay. And here is output line, so we need to install. This is loose, so we need to press it, and oh, sorry man. Okay, I pressed very much, so we need to remove again. Okay, it's permanently installed, and this is the pen strip. Okay, now check here. Here is the positive, so we need to install here the positive. Okay, and here we have a negative, so this is the negative. Okay, I already told you, keep this in the box. This is the reminder. Throw away when you install the zip tie. Okay, now we need to connect all the strips of top cover. This is the switch panel strip here, and we already marked this red here to red, and green here to green. Okay, and black here to black. Oops, sorry man. We need to install the plastic cover for air ventilation. Once you keep all the screw in the one box, this is the very useful method. Everything is reminding you about everything. Okay, like that. Here the one screw we have on this area. one screw here, okay, and one is here. Okay, now we need to close the top cone and test it. Okay, sorry. It's okay. Thank you, dear friends. Take care. Bye. See you next time.